As you look at the progress of AI, one of the things that you find is that it is becoming more and more human-like for presentations. Last week, a AI agent, a avatar, gave a full-on presentation on the news for a segment, and nobody knew that it was fake until the news company came out and announced, hey, this isn't a real person. So what does this have to do with you and your sales ability and closing deals, and why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you, coming to you live from Sacramento. This video is powered by sellingtechnicians.com. All right, so let's just dig into this. AI is pretty much touching every corner of business. And the easy stuff right now is financials and spreadsheets and learning language models. What's really moving forward into the future is avatars. And so you're like, hey, Scott, what does this have to do with me and my sales process? And what does this have to do with me and my business? If a news company can go out and say, hey, listen, we've got this image of a person that we've conglomerated from, smashed together from 5 different people that we've seen, and we've taken a pleasant voice and we've given and nobody knows it. Here's what's going to happen in the world of sales. This is coming, and it's not today, but I'm going to say 3 years out. As I'm filming this video, it's the end of October 2025, going into November 2025. So 3 to 5 years out is about what you have to prepare. And here's what's going to happen is commissions are a big part of a business. And so, like, every time I've ever been in a management meeting and they're looking for places to cut, the accountants always start at the salespeople. Like, the accountants are like, look how much money this guy's making. Look how much money this woman's making. We've got to reduce it. Okay. So here's what's been happening is there's been programs out there for the past 2 and 3 years recording sales presentations, looking at language models, looking at what things are doing. And they're about 80% right, which is about 80% of the sales population. So here's what they're going to do. They are going to take an image of a pleasant looking dude, a nice looking woman, and you're going to sit down and have conversations with an avatar. It's going to look like a real human being. It's going to talk like a real human being. It's going to have mannerisms. But here's what it's not going to have. It's not going to have baggage. It's going to work off the program. It's going to work off protocols. It's going to work off what it's told to do. It's going to work off of a routine. And here's the thing. The timing will be perfect. The vocal pitch and tone is going to be perfect. The pauses between conversations are going to be perfect. And they're going to be programmed to handle just about any objection that you can face. So if you are in sales, you should absolutely work on your sales skills. And you should work on your capabilities to be better at what you do. And like that should start right now. If you're not doing it right now, you should. There's computer programs or AI apps that will help you work with your vocal pitch and tone and your timing. There are programs out there that'll help you with your sales presentation. Like the time, like I'm sounding the alarm and I'm saying, hey, listen, sales as an industry is going to be decimated by the end of the beginning of 2030. Because salespeople are going to no longer be needed in a lot of roles. Like, don't get me wrong. There's going to be people in physical jobs and roles that are going to have to go out and take a look and see what's going on. And then the presentation is going to be handed off to a machine. Then the presentation is going to be handed off to an avatar who has been trained on all the modules to close deals. And if you don't, if you don't have the touch points, if you don't have the skills and you're not working on them right now, your lunch money is going to get taken. This is a prediction for me. Occasionally I'm wrong. I'm not always right, but I'm looking at the direction that AI is going, and I'm talking to some people who are really high up in AI, and they're like, hey, listen, a lot of services where it comes to communication are going to be taken. Let me give you a case in point. Right now in New York City, they have tablets that face people, and the people on the tablets via Zoom are in the Philippines, and they are the cashiers for $4 an hour. And, you know, people got to pay with a credit card. They just tap. But instead of paying somebody $22 an hour, somebody's literally on Zoom taking an order, and you're talking to an iPad or to a tablet. It's coming. And you know, it's not going to be pretty for the people who don't believe that this is something that's going to happen. So you've got to get good at your skills. You've got to get good at your talents. You've got to get good at your capabilities. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.